Hello friends, in this video I will show how to calculate percent difference between two numbers in Microsoft Excel. So you have to type this formula equal sign, opening bracket, select this first cell minus this second cell, closing bracket, divide by this bracket, then press enter. Now select this cell and click on this percentage. Now click on this percent symbol. Now right click on it and format cells and select percent and back decimal places to, then click on OK. So this way guys you can calculate percent difference between two numbers in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.